Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your wallpaper on your phone by using the focus mode. So go to the focus bit here and you are going to either select a new one or just select one. Here you can choose to edit the wallpaper of your phone to the one that you want, maybe this one. Press done. And you can also do it for the home page as well. And when you go to that focus mode, it's going to instantly change the wallpaper as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!